Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today I am so excited because it is finally here. The Fab Fit Fun box. I got this box, gosh, I want to say I ordered it like a month ago, but I'm so excited to show you guys. I've never done Fab Fit Fun before, and I actually just ordered one box. Like, I'm not signed up for the subscription just because I wanted to test it out on this channel with you guys. I am really curious about this box. Out of all subscription boxes that are out there that exist, this kind of box is most interesting to me because it has like some beauty things, some home goods, some just like lifestyle stuff, and that's more interesting to me than just like, I don't know, just clothing or just makeup. I guess it's that clothes and makeup are things that I want to be able to like pick out for myself, but this stuff, I don't know, I'm just excited about it. And I'm excited to unbox it with you and show you what's inside. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh. Guys, the tea I'm drinking today is so good, and that's relevant. I promise I will explain in a few minutes why. Oh my gosh, guys, okay, I have to tell you one thing before we get started. So you guys probably know my Mickey mug story if you've watched my, I think it's like my 2020 vent session video. At the very beginning of that video, I ended up explaining why you always see this mug on my channel, even though I have many others, and sometimes you'll see the other ones. I think you have. But this is by far my favorite mug, and I basically just explained that my boyfriend Seth got me this mug before we even were boyfriend and girlfriend, just when we had been dating a little while. And it is a Mickey mug, and okay, so I have to show you a gift that he got me this year, and he actually gave me just a few days ago. We decided to exchange like small gifts early, and then we both got each other big gifts that we'll do like for Christmas. But I have to show you what he got me because it's kind of related to this mug. It's actually kind of tucked away on my tree back here, but it's an ornament. And oh my gosh, guys, he got me a Mickey and Minnie 2020 Christmas ornament. We've also been talking about how we need to start collecting like Christmas ornaments as a couple, like for the cats and for ourselves, because these are like the only Christmas ornaments we have. I feel like I need to rotate this so it looks a little bit more spaced out. These two are like right next to each other. Okay, but this is going to be our very first Christmas ornament as a couple that we own together because I already owned those, and this is just a tiny tree I've always had. We don't have a big Christmas tree yet because we don't live in a big place, but I love that it's a 2021 because we will always know the first year that he got me this. I love that it has Mickey and Minnie on it, and now I just think all of the meaningful gifts he's gonna get me over the next several years are gonna be Mickey or Minnie themed, but that's okay with me. I feel like I should hang it somewhere you guys can see it. Sorry, this tree is not great. Okay, that'll work. I also have to move this one, I'm sorry. Okay, the sappy romantic part of this video is totally over. We are going to unbox this. Thank you for listening. So this is the Winter Fab Fit Fun box. It's got like all of these little like raining snowflakes slash stars all across it. It's really, really pretty. I will say that I've already unboxed this just to like look at the stuff that's inside, and because I know a lot of people like first impressions videos where you genuinely see my first reaction, but I feel like that wouldn't be very interesting, at least for me, because I wouldn't have a whole lot to say when I first see it. I feel like now that I've actually seen all of it and thought about what I'm going to use it for and what I'm excited about and what I'm maybe not so excited about, like I can actually tell you those thoughts. And I'm not even going to save the best for last. I think this is one of the best things that came in this box, and I put it right on top because I knew I wanted to show you right away. This is the, I have to set the box down. This is the Summer and Rose, I wanted to say quilt. It's not a quilt, it's a robe. Robe is the word I was looking for. It is a super, super plush robe, and I haven't even gotten it out yet, but I did allow myself to feel it. But I told myself I was gonna wait until this video to get it out. This is one of the items that I was allowed to like choose. If you're not aware, Fab Fit Fun surprises you with a lot of the items in the box, but then you can also choose like a few of them. And they basically just give you like two options. So they'd be like, do you want this robe or this kitchen set or something like that, and you just pick. I forget what I gave up for this, but I knew I wanted the robe, and oh my gosh, was it worth it, girl. Okay, it's got pockets, it's got this cute little hood. If you could feel this, like, let me actually kind of show you up close what this is looking like. I mean, it's just so soft. If I didn't already have a sweatshirt on, I would totally put this on for the remainder of the video. And then this is the tie that it came with, which is the exact same material, super, super plush, super, super soft. Do not be surprised if you see me wearing that for the rest of my Vlogmas videos. Okay, so what other goodies do we have? Let's just go for this. This is the Donny Scarf. This scarf is also something that I got to choose, and I was very excited about it because it's got this like gray and black and beige texture to it that is just so classic, and I've been trying to find, as you may have seen in my Stitch Fix video, I've been trying to find like just kind of more classic, elegant pieces that I will love that will go with anything in my closet. and I just thought that this would totally be that. I put it on real fast. So it has like little tassels on the ends, and other than that, it's just a really basic scarf. It's actually very, very soft, and it's nice and long, so I feel like I could tie this a bunch of different ways, but I truly cannot describe to you how much this fits my style. I am definitely a like, I feel like girly isn't the word for it. I just feel like elegant is the word I always want to use, and I mean more so like elegant classic in the way of like I will still wear jeans and try to be elegant. I'm that person who will wear like heels with jeans, or I will wear like a flowy shirt or like something like this. I love more sophisticated style. I'm someone who really, really loves my job when I get to like dress up in business suits or dresses. So in my casual wardrobe, I love having something like this. Super, super cute, did not disappoint. The next thing I'm gonna show you is actually the tea that I'm drinking today. That's why this is open already. This is the Toothy Bloom green tea blend. So it looks like the name of the company is Toothy right here. And it basically just says 10% of profits help a smile in need. That's awesome. It's gluten and allergen free, vegan friendly, no artificial flavors or sweeteners. It's non-GMO. All of that is great. But the thing that was really interesting to me is that it says it's the tea for teeth. It's green tea and peppermint. And so I don't know if that's just meant to be like it freshens your breath like peppermint, or if it actually like has some kind of properties that help your teeth. All it says is our delicious green tea and peppermint blend will give you the boost you need to start your day right while keeping your breath fresh and gums healthy. And there are 28 compostable tea packets in here. That is what is in my Mickey mug today, and I am loving it. Okay, you guys might be hearing the garbage truck right now. I'm filming really early this morning because I have a lot of filming I want to do, and I have to go to work and stuff today. So it is like 6 a.m. and the garbage guy always comes really, really early at the place I live. I'ma just wait for him to leave. No hate to the garbage guy. We've all got a job to do, you know? Okay, girl, what else is in here? Okay, so before getting to some of the more like tangible items in the box, I want to show you guys some of the like gift cards that come in this. I had zero idea that like little gift cards and stuff came in here. So this one is from Bright Cellars. It says, discover wine you love, feeling lucky, scratch off to see your credit. And there are 3 different things that you can scratch off. I think this is just a wine club basically that gets delivered to your door. I'm really excited about this. Seth and I both are really interested in just trying that. Neither of us drink a whole lot, but when it comes to like wines and stuff, it's kind of fun, you know, sometimes. It's just romantic to be able to test that stuff out with each other. Then there's one for an HBO Max free trial. We've actually been talking about how interested we are in HBO Max, so we probably will use that. And then HelloFresh. This was the one that we were most excited about. There are 9 free meals. I think that's a lot on this like little card that comes attached to it. And if you're not familiar with HelloFresh, I think they're basically frozen meals that are really, really fresh that you can like put in your freezer and then kind of defrost, and they give you instructions on how to prepare different elements of it. And they're just supposed to be really healthy, nice prepared meals that you can get. So we're really excited about those. I will definitely be trying those out. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is this Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars blemish patches. They're just little stars. They're blemish patches that I think we probably will use. I mean, everyone gets acne, so that's cool. Then we have these Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels from Butanique Beauty. I think there are only 4 sets in here. I have some Peter Thomas Roth eye patches that I'm using lately that I really, really like, but I definitely will try these too. And at least we know that I'll use them because I do use eye gel patches. Next, I thought this was kind of random, but we'll try it, is this Kind bar. It's the Thins version, so I don't know if you guys have tried Kind bars, but apparently there is a Thins version. I didn't know there was, but it's basically just a thinner, lighter version. I'm always down for a good snack. I just figured there would have been like a box of them or like a couple of them, not just one singular bar, but okay. Next is this thing, which I am a little apprehensive about. This is a dry brush for your face. It's by Daily Concepts, and I'm gonna open it right now because I'm curious as to what the texture is. I do have super dry skin, so a dry brush sounds like it would be a really good idea for my skin to get some of the dead skin off. And also dry brushes, if you're not familiar, are supposed to help like blood get to the surface or pump through the body. I actually do own a dry brush that I use for my whole body that is, you know, a lot bigger than this, that I really, really enjoy. But since this is supposed to be just for your face, I'm a little apprehensive about it just because dry brushes are supposed to be a little bit scratchy, just to kind of slough off dead skin and stuff like that and get the heart pumping and stimulate your blood cells and things like that. So putting one on my face makes me nervous when I have such sensitive skin, just because, I don't know. It's definitely a nice design. It's got a little hanger to like, you know, hang in your bathroom next to your shower or whatever it may be. Maybe I will try it, but this might end up getting gifted to a friend. You probably hear Socks now too. One of my cats, Socks, is playing in one of the boxes that we got recently, just that a Christmas gift came in. But this specific box, we left all of the packaging paper inside, and he is just having a ball. He is just frolicking around in the box with all the papers. He is so cute. So you may hear him during this. Next is this really cute headband. Oh my gosh, just too adorable. So it's a like red velvet headband. It's super soft. It's got this cute little like knot detail up top. I mean, I'm not sure it goes with my current outfit, but is that not just so very cute? I like that it's structured too. I feel like that's just so much easier for like a fashion statement kind of headband, which I don't really have fashion statement headbands. I have a few headbands. I really don't wear them that often, that I sometimes wear for like working out or running or something, that are just like stretchy elastic headbands. But this is so cute. And again, kind of fits the elegant classic vibe in my wardrobe and style that I'm trying to build up and go for. Okay, 3 items left, guys, 3 items. All right, let me show you the one thing that I'm pretty sure I am gonna gift to someone. I didn't know that this box came with beauty products at all, like makeup, but apparently it does. This is the Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. So this is what the packaging looks like on its own. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a little mirror down here. It's a really pretty shade. The first thing that I look for now on packaging for products is like if it's cruelty-free or vegan, and I don't see either of those marked on this package. There is also fragrance in this. If you smell it, I don't even have to open it to smell it. It smells like, I asked Seth what this smelled like because I couldn't decide. It smells almost a little bit caramely to me, but then a little bit fruity at the same time, and he said he really just picked up on the fruit. The reason I don't think I'm gonna use this is not that I would never use something that was gifted to me, especially if it was sent to me anyway. I don't wanna be wasteful. I still believe in using the things that you have, and so I would maybe use it if it wasn't gonna irritate my skin, but the fact that it has fragrance in it and the fragrance is so strong really does worry me with my sensitive skin, so this might get gifted to someone for Christmas, but that's totally fine. I think it's a really pretty shade, and I'm sure a lot of my friends would love to fight over it. Okay, last 2 things. I'm saving one big thing for last, but this is something I'm super excited about too. So second to last item is the Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. I think the company is Vor, but this is just what it looks like. Really pretty packaging. If you can't tell from my channel banner and stuff, watercolor in general is just an aesthetic that I really like. It's very pretty. But let me tell you why I'm so excited about this, because I have super dry everything on my body, and so when it comes to like this time of year, even though I am using that super hydrating shampoo and conditioner I told you guys about in one of my last videos, my like skincare and hair care video, I do sometimes get prone to dandruff, and it's really hard to keep my scalp in balance, and so this is like right up my alley. It is also cruelty free. I saw on the label on the back, and I'm just super excited to try this. I'm gonna have to tell you guys what I think about this when I do try it, but this might be like top 3 products that I'm excited about. Maybe top 5. Really, this box is hitting all the check marks for me. I mean, it's like they know me. Okay, the very last product that I have, and this is one that I got to choose, is this Impressions Vanity Company Touch Highlight Makeup Mirror. So the idea is that there is like a ring light basically around this mirror that you can turn on when you're getting ready in it. I don't know if this mirror is this way, but I also know that a lot of other mirrors that look like this or are similar to this have like magnification settings basically, where you can like make it zoom in and out of your face. So there's like a cord and a base stand still in the box, but this is what the actual mirror looks like. This is the stand for it. And then this is the actual mirror size. It's a really good sized mirror. I don't know where to angle you aside from just at my camera, because that's a light and that's a light and I don't want to blind you. But I really think I'm going to use this. I might even include it like in my background, either from now on or like once I take my Christmas stuff down, just another thing to have in my background because it's very aesthetically pleasing. But then if you guys can see, there's like a little touch button which is flat against the mirror, but I think this is what you touch to turn on the light around the edge. And just looking at myself in it, it's a really nice mirror. I'm very excited about this. All right, guys, that is it for this FabFitFun unboxing. You gotta let me know which products you would have been most excited to receive. Let me know which ones you're excited to see me try. Like if you want to see a video about what I think about certain things in the box, I would be happy to do a little FabFitFun update video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you liked this and you want to see more content from me. And I will see you in the next video.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.